If your army loses to a bunch of birds, you might just be in Australia. If your enemy has feathers and a beak, you're in the Emu War. If you think this sounds made up, you're about to have your mind flocked. Picture this. It's 1932. Australia's got a big problem. Emos. Not just a handful, but thousands of these big flightless birds are stampeding through farmers' fields, munching crops like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. So the government calls in the army. Yes, seriously. The army versus emus. Armed with machine guns, the soldiers thought it'd be a walk in the park. But those birds were fast, furious, and frankly too clever by half. The soldiers couldn't keep up. Guns jammed. Emus scattered. After thousands of shots, only a few birds were down for the count. Final score: Emus 1, Australia 0. The moral: never ruffle an emu's feathers. They'll just wing it. And that's how Australia lost a war to birds.